Mustang Coupe.
All right, so Mark and I are cruising, and we are gonna go look at a 2009 Mustang GT Premium. And I was talking to Mark, and I'm like, Mark, should I go full-on MustangMedic on him and like do the hat, do the videos like I'm doing now? And you know what I want to do. It might blow the deal, but it would entertain you guys. And Mark's driving me for 2 hours, an hour there, an hour back. We got 1 hour. My sister's birthday's today, same birthday as Bobby, interesting. And we got a 9-ball pool league, which, by the way, both of us, Andrew, if you're watching, we kicked butt last week. Give me knuckles. Boom. We kicked butt in the 9-ball pool league. I was like, like Chevy Chase and Caddyshack. So I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it, Mark. I'm gonna go full on. I'm gonna go on full on video, looking at this car, and you might see me driving it back. This 2009 white. It's automatic. I'm not happy about that. I didn't get everything I want. But then again, in life you don't get everything you want. So we're gonna look at this car. I'm gonna show the videos. You're gonna see the salesman cross-eyed because he doesn't know about MustangMedic, and we might just walk away and I don't know any money, or I'll be driving away and I'll owe some money. Let's see. Okay, so what is your name?
Rami.
Rami? This is Rami, and he is going to, yes guys, I'm gonna do my first test drive in a modern Mustang. Where is it, Rami? Oh, we gotta jump in a golf cart or something to go get it?
No, we're gonna drive down street. We're gonna meet Charlie.
Charlie?
Yeah, and the car is gonna be over there.
I thought I saw it over there. They're gonna move it? We saw it parked, it's parked right in the corner.
You know what?
You know what, Rami?
The car is here.
We got a deal. We got to do this quick, man.
Okay.
All right, I told him we're going to do this deal quick, so we'll see if it happens. If it doesn't happen, then call Rami, and you guys can buy the car because I passed on it. We'll see what happens. He's never seen MustangMedic. He has no idea what's going on. It's pretty funny. All right, so we're out here in the brisk cold, and here's the car. I'll go around it. I'll tell you what I found on it, what I don't like, and we're going to hardline him and probably drive away. But if this did air, it means I didn't buy the car. Davis Certified Pre-Owned Vehicles is where this car is at in New Jersey, southern New Jersey. Here we go. 2007. 2007. It's a GTCS California Special. This is I spotted this right away. I didn't see this on any of the pictures. I'm on, believe it or not, guys, I'm on Carvana. That's how I found this one. There's a scratch in the paint. Custom, I believe they're custom tailpipes. We believe that. It's got the trim underneath. But this is the problem I have with it. It's got these big honking rims on it that somebody put on it. Some people like that.